Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe and I'm coming at you with another lip swatch video. We are swatching lipsticks. Today, I am doing the Lux Colourpop new lipsticks. My favorite thing is that they are $7. So I'm like, okay. They're also vegan, so it sounds like you get a fancy little lipstick for a good price. So I'll let you know how I feel about them after I swatch them. I haven't even opened them or tried them or anything, so this is gonna be first impressions too. So this is what they look like. Cute little packaging. My favorite part is the little stars on the lipstick. So cute. There are 24 shades in here, so let's get it crack-a-lackin'. Okay, so those are all of the shades. I have to say they feel really beautiful on the lips. Very lightweight, almost hydrating feeling, like they feel comforting on the lips. I did find some of the brighter colors did stain. I don't think it's a deal breaker at all. But yo, they feel amazing. The price is right. And I also don't know if they stain because I'm swatching 24 lipsticks right now. That could do it. And one thing I was really impressed by was I really like the shape of the lipstick because it's very easy to draw. I'm an overdrawer. As soon as I rub my lips together, the whole line gets distorted. They stay in place, but they're very easy to glide on. But I know for myself, like usually I put like concealer or something over my lips to block the color or whatever. I don't feel like you need to do that with these. The color is so opaque that it kind of wipes out your natural lip color anyway, so that works for me. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, which one of your favorite color was. Thanks to Colourpop for sending me these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty. Let me know what your faves are, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Take care. I'm feeling this black color though.